345 gang. What's up with it? Big Brando back with another one, yes sir. And I'm about to get wifey's car together. About to take her tire off and put her new battery in. For some reason in the Dodge Avengers, they batteries in the side fender. I replaced it once before. I'm not for sure if it's the alternator, the starter, or the battery. Really don't know. I mean, I just got a battery, so I'm gonna take this one out and install a new one. And y'all see my steps doing it on gang. All right, let's get to it, gang. Oh man. Okay, let's go. Gang, they all straight. See, I was using one of these for the little jack thing, but this motherfucker ain't strong enough. I just went and got my next door neighbors. I don't even know what the fuck these things called, but they all stripped. This the last one I gotta try to see if it work. Hopefully it do. So I'm about to have on to the next one. My neighbors worked out handy. I was the last one who put this tire on here, so I did them lug nuts like that. God damn. I just broke a motherfucking sweat. And I'm glad his worked, because I was not trying to go and get my brothers. I was not trying to leave. Had to stop doing what I was doing. That's one thing about me. I hate stopping doing what I'm doing. If I'm getting to something, I like to get it done all in one step. Make sure you put your lug nuts in a safe place so you don't lose them. This a little jack right here. Little jack from Walmart. Cheap as hell. Cheap as hell. There we go. The fuck going on? This motherfucker. What the fuck? I got clearance. God damn. This motherfucker was stuck on there. Yeah. Hopefully if I get this started, man, there's about to be so much content on both whips. I'm telling you. Y'all see? Y'all see Stormy right there. Black. Let me get back with y'all when I get this sidewell shit off, whatever it's called, on gang. I'll take these rivets out, gang. She got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. God damn. Now I ain't gotta take the camera back on and I'm still fucking up. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Back at it, gang. To get this motherfucker off now. God damn. Now y'all see where the battery at? Y'all see that? The battery's right there. Like, that's uncommon as fuck. Like, why wouldn't a battery be, you feel me, front or either the back, like the Chryslers, Dodges? or in the back seat like Buicks, but this motherfucker is right there. That's fucking crazy. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Got that up out of there. Now it's time to unconnect this motherfucker. Let's get back to it, gang. Got it out, gang. Here go the new one. Yeah, this is basically a how-to on how to do it, basically. It's for anybody who got a Dodge Avenger and who didn't know that the battery's in the side fender. And I mean, it's a D.I.Y, do it yourself. So I mean, if anybody willing to take on the task, it's not hard. Just get you some tools and a jack, elbow grease, and you good. And knowledge. Be tight on there. Let's go. Slide that back up in there. On to the next one. On to the positive. Let's get this positive in there. Moment of truth. Let's go see if this motherfucker start. Okay, gang. We having some technical difficulties here. It ain't starting. I'm about to put my jumper cables on here. Like, I'm not for sure. That can't be. It's a used battery, but it's like almost brand new, so I know it's good. So that either got to be the starter or the alternator. God damn. But I'm about to try to see. Yes, sir. I know y'all heard Stormy start up. Yes, sir. See if it start. Yeah. Like basically what it was doing before. Damn, my camera shaking and shit. Basically what it was doing was before was like I jump it from my car. And I start it up. It'll start up. But as soon as I take the jumpers off, like after 10 minutes, I'll give it juice. But as soon as I take the jumpers off, like after 10 minutes, her car turned right off. So like, I'm not for sure, man. Comment down below and tell me what y'all think it is. But I'm about to try to start it up now, see if it starts. But I'm pretty sure it is, but when I take the jumpers off, hopefully the car keep running, because y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Started up, but it was kind of like it hesitated low-key. That's what it's been doing. See, like I'm not for sure if it's the alternator or the starter. Like y'all just seen me put the battery in, so it could be either one. I don't know. But I'm gonna let this sit, and I'm gonna get back with y'all, let y'all know if it run or not on game. 345 gang. Big bummer. I think it's the alternator, so the battery gotta be cool from last time when I changed it. So it's not the battery. It can't be the battery. It can't be the battery. It's not the battery. Gotta be the alternator. I know it's not the starter for sure, so it gotta be the alternator. So I'm about to go ahead and take that new battery out and put the old one back in, because I know ain't nothing wrong with the battery. And I'm gonna have to go and get an alternator. I'm gonna take the battery that I just got back tomorrow, because the place closed. So I'm gonna go and get an alternator tomorrow, and I'm gonna put that in. So y'all stay tuned, gang. Okay, gang, so I just checked something out on the battery, and basically, hold on, basically, this was loose. This was loose the whole fucking time. This right here, this was fucking loose. I just tightened that bitch back up, and this motherfucker started right up. It started right up, so I'm praying that that was the issue. I'm about to pop the tire back on and take this motherfucker for a ride right quick, and hopefully that was the issue. Hopefully that was the issue, gang. Man, I'm happy, boy. I'm geeking right now. She running. Man, so that was my fault. That was my fault from the last time putting the battery on. I didn't fully tighten up the fucking nut. That's a rookie mistake, man. That was my first time changing it, but I mean, shit happens. And it's been sitting this whole time, all because of a loose fucking connection. That's crazy. Just like that, gang. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and push that notification bell. I'm gonna keep coming with some bangers. This one wasn't a banger. This was basically a D.I.Y. How to put a battery on, how to take it out. But yeah, man, comment down below and tell me what y'all think about it, about the video. I'm gonna keep dropping some bangers. Like I said, that Charger review coming soon. I'm gonna try to get some more Chryslers on here for sure. I know y'all fuck with them. I'm gonna just be daily vlogging for real. Probably driving around. Probably do a top speed 0 to 60 or something for y'all. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe first, then like, then comment, and push that notification bell so y'all can get all my vids. Get all the vids, get all the content. As soon as I drop it, y'all get it. But yeah, just like that, I'm gonna get back with y'all on the next one on Gang.